Good morning, boys and girls. So I'm going to show you that where you're going to find assignments under Pathblazer. I have given you the choice to work on Pathblazer wherever you are at, but I am starting to add assignments that need to be completed before you can actually use the rest of Pathblazer. So what you're going to do is you're going to first go into Pathblazer like you normally do. And when you open it, so see right now I am on under Brian's account, and when you log in you're gonna see these assignments here, but then you're gonna see one that has my name right at the end. It says Erica del Rio Math 3. Every time you see that, that means that is an assignment that I need you to complete before you can come and do these over here. Okay, so you would have to do this one right here, this one. So you're gonna click on this one, and when you open it, it's going to say addition and subtraction. Since last week, we were talking about addition and subtraction, I want to make sure you guys have that extra practice with addition and subtraction word problems. So you're going to go ahead and click on this, and then you're going to have other windows open, and it's going to have addition, subtraction, and then it's going to have both of them together, and there's going to be a chapter test at the end. So it's really important that you take your time reading the problems, looking through the activities, and working it out so that you can do great on the chapter test. So that will be considered part of a grade. So make sure you do your best. And that is all.